Bird at it again. Flying the great blue yonders, whatever they say. Uh-oh. Good. Oh, he's want to do a little trick for you. Say hi, Bird. Don't sound like Bird to me. Say hi, Bird. That's better. Yep. Out here looking for trouble every morning. Birds don't want to mess with them anymore. People still trip. Right, Bird? What you got to say for yourself? I said, what you got to say for yourself? Anyway, kind of boring. See ya. Oh, let me. Oh, we got a shaker here. Oh, yeah. Birds don't want to mess with them no more. They know better. Bird put some moves on them that they never seen before. Bring them over here. Say goodbye. Bird, say goodbye. Say goodbye, Bird. There you go.